What's going on, guys? So today we're going to go over how to sharpen hedge trimmer blades the most easiest and efficient way. You can do this out in the field or in the shop. The Dremel Tool. This has been a lifesaver. You'll see how it's the most easiest way to sharpen these blades, as long as it's fully charged, of course. After they're sharpened, the 3M cleaners. This removes grease, oil, dirt, all that kind of stuff, and it's great for the blades. All right, so as you can see, with the Dremel tool, this is the most easiest way to sharpen these blades. The number one thing you got to watch out for is to make sure these blades are spaced out. You don't want them right on top of each other because you'll grind down the one on the opposite side. That is a big deal. You will dull the blades very badly. Again, once that's all sharpened, we'll go through that one more time. And this Dremel has 3 to 4 settings. Pretty sure you guys get the idea. I will post the link to this Dremel tool in the video below. Same with the cleaner and also the grinding wheels. This was a deal on Amazon for about $10. You will go through them if you sharpen blades a lot. And then once they're all sharpened, we go through the cleaner. And once you spray this on, you do want to run the machine. And again, this is on a Stihl HL94. I know they have their own cleaners. You know, if you want to save a couple bucks and it's quality, it's 3M. It's not going to ruin the blades. We've been using them for years. You'll spray it on and then make sure you run the blades, sharpen them, of course, first, and then spray it on and run the blades for a couple minutes. You will notice a world of difference. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and you'll see more soon. Thank you.